Hello guys, how to fix if a Snapchat keeps crashing on your iPhone? If a Snapchat not working properly on your iPhone, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is unlock your iPhone and force restart your iPhone. And to force restart your iPhone, simply press power button and volume up or down button conjointly until Apple logo appear on your screen. It will force restart your iPhone. This is workaround to fix this issue. And check whether your Snapchat crashing error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. And the next one is tap on settings of your iPhone, or go to a Snapchat directly, and here click on your profile icon from the top left corner, and here choose settings cog from the top right corner, and here scroll down and go to privacy control section and choose clear data. And here you will find the option clear caches from at the end of the page, and choose clear caches, clear all caches, clear Snapchat caches to fix this issue. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. And the next one is again go to your iPhone app section, and tap on settings of your iPhone, and here tap on general settings, and here tap on software update. And if any iOS update available, simply download and install it. Sometimes outdated iOS may be a cause of some apps not working properly on your iPhone. The next method to fix this issue is go to your app store and update your Snapchat app. Click on your profile icon from the top right corner and go to available updates, and if you find a Snapchat app update is available, update it. In my case, no any update is available. Simply in your case, if update is available, simply download the update, the Snapchat app.